Hello everyone. Want to receive calls directly on loudspeakers on the Android? Here's how to do that. So first of all, we are to open up our settings. Now let's scroll down to our accessibility tab. There it is. After that, you are to locate your interaction and dexterity. Here, simply locate answering in any call section. And there, you'll find answering using speaker. So as you see, it says use speaker by default when there is no headset or Bluetooth device connected. Simply activate this option and basically you are done. Now, every incoming call automatically will go on the loudspeakers without extra steps. However, if you often use your headphones or Bluetooth devices, remember that enabling the setting might not always default the loudspeaker. It will prioritize the most recently used audio output like headphones or Bluetooth devices. If for some reason this option is not working, first of all, make sure that you're connected to the loudspeaker. So turn off your Bluetooth, turn it back, try to reconnect. If this doesn't help, we can try and reset the whole Bluetooth settings. So go back to your settings. After that, you're to locate your general management. Here, scroll down to the reset option, tap on reset, then simply press reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Press reset settings, you'll get this pop-up message that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings has been reset, and after that try reconnecting to your loudspeaker and try your friends calling on there. Maybe it will work. So basically that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.